Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Harry Baldock, editor here at Total Telecom, and today it's my pleasure to be joined by Sylvain Thevenot, Managing Director of Netgem. Sylvain, how are you today?
I am very good, thank you.
Excellent. We're here today to speak a little bit about the topic of Wi-Fi mesh technology. Sylvain, why was it a natural progression for Netgem to develop a Wi-Fi mesh solution?
It's very natural for us as we've been working with operators for more than 20 years. And we've helped telecom operators to grow their base, to create more loyalty with our connected TV solutions. And as we work through the year, it's been obvious that streaming is becoming obviously prevalent. It's going everywhere in the home. Obviously, TV is now consumed on many different screens, on mobile, tablet, on large TV. And one of the crux of obviously this experience is providing a quality Wi-Fi experience. That's why we decided to enhance our service proposition and include a Wi-Fi mesh as a service.
So what specific challenges were you hearing from ISPs that made developing this kind of Wi-Fi mesh such an attractive proposition?
So what we see from the internet service providers is obviously a boost to ultra-fast broadband with fiber connectivity up to 1 gig, even above in some cases. And that obviously very high speed, interestingly this time, becomes a bottleneck within the home. So Wi-Fi is actually the bottleneck. So ISPs, fiber ISPs may be able to provide 1 gigabit per second to the home. But then after that, especially with an increasing number of devices connected in the home. The average is around 15 in the UK devices connected. There's a significant loss in the house or in the flat. And one of the challenges is to be able to provide the quality. We call it fiber to the room, in fact. So as an image that the fiber should also extend all the way to the room with quality Wi-Fi. And that Wi-Fi clearly is associated with fiber. The other part, if you want, is two legs that make the proposition for ISP strong enough to create loyalty and obviously have customers staying much longer with the ISP.
Great. So can you tell us a little bit more about the kind of specifics of the solution itself?
So coming from a background of working with operators, we looked at this, and of course there are plenty of Wi-Fi mesh solutions in the market, but most of them actually provide only the devices part. Our solution has three elements. It contains obviously the devices, so 2 or 3 pods, which are very cost effective. It has a simple mobile application, which is complete plug and play, and it means that when you connect the devices, you can use a mobile application, and it allows to set up those 2 or 3 pods in the house very, very simply. And more importantly, where we go beyond, if you want, the traditional device plus application solution, we also provide a complete management service for customer service operations to allow the operators, the ISPs, to better manage the quality of service within the home. So they can actually monitor with alerts every single home, and particularly the quality of the device's connectivity within the home. For example, if one device has a poor connection connected to a particular pod, they'll be able to actually detect it and better support and help customers in their home. So our solution, provided as a service, includes the pods, it includes the mobile application to make it very easy for a user, and also the network management tool that we call Guru.
So where exactly is the offering going to be deployed?
So we started with our fiber ISP venture in France. In fact, we launched this week in October. And the benefit of having, if you want, different operations, and typically is that we can learn and test from our own operations. So we've deployed it obviously a few weeks ago, and we've started officially to launch a new proposition in France with our Video Future Fiber product, which includes fiber 1 gig and the Wi-Fi mesh bundled as a standard together with our multi-screen TV service. So you essentially have the 3 parts in there. And that Wi-Fi mesh solution is deployed, and it allows us obviously to get the immediate return of experience and continue in our rapid development cycle to improve the service as we go. And that means to improve obviously the experience on the mobile application for the end user, but also they provide the necessary tools for customer service operations to better serve customers.
One thing you already mentioned is that there are other Wi-Fi mesh solutions in the market right now. So I guess my final question is how is your solution different?
So first of all, our solution is different in a way that it includes the three elements. So it has the hardware, so the pods, if you want, the mobile application, which you see Android, iOS, which can be tailored for the operator. So that application can actually be simply available for the operator with its own brand in the store that we maintain. And then it has the network management tool, Guru, that allows to provide the quality of service management. When you combine those three together, what we also provide is a different approach to the business model. We provide this as a service. So anyone, including even smaller ISPs, can deploy it without any large CapEx initial investment. Our platform management is based in the cloud. The application obviously can be deployed immediately, available from the App Store and the Play Store. And the pods are available also on a very cost-effective manner. So it allows even smaller players to join and to provide, if you want, the true quality of service Wi-Fi mesh that larger ISPs or larger telecom operators would have, but only by investing a lot more money.
A really exciting proposition, Sylvain. Thank you very much for your time.